Being both soft and strong is a combination very few have mastered. Compassion is to look beyond your own pain, to see the pain of others. Holding on to hope when everything is dark is the greatest test of faith. The body has many needs, but the soul has only one, to be with God. Some hearts understand each other even in silence. If you want this life to stop breaking your heart, stop giving your heart to this life. When you are in trouble, don't depend on yourself. Don't depend on people. Depend on God. It is in that which you love the most that you find the greatest test. Let the love of Allah heal you and free you. If you want to focus more on Allah in your prayers, focus more on Him outside your prayers. Seek the ones who never stop caring, who break down your walls and help you come back to yourself. Tear your heart out of your chest and hand it to God. There is no other healing. I swear there is no other healing. There is a time for words and a time for silence. If you are listening, you will hear the difference. Don't get attached to moments, good or bad, they all pass. Give even when you know you can get nothing back. Love people for the sake of God, but never love God for the sake of people. Know that transformation sometimes begins with a fall, so never curse the fall. You refuse to forgive people, and yet on the day of judgment, you will stand bare, begging Allah to forgive you. Keep praying, even if you have only a whisper left. Sometimes the gifts of God are not wrapped as we expect. Stop hating on yourself for not being perfect. If God wanted perfection, He would have made you an angel. Everything is as it should be. God's design is perfect. There is meaning in all things, but are you paying attention? Your heart is sacred land. Don't let just anything enter it. Guard it with your life. Any beauty you see in me is only a reflection of Him. Any ugliness, a reflection of myself. Worry is a direct consequence of relying on your own efforts. This life will never be without storms. Stop fearing the storm. Build your inner shelter. Everything you have is on loan. Foolish is the one who gets attached to a loan. The worst prison is not made of metal bars. The worst prison is when your internal reality does not match your external reality. Never think you can choose better for yourself than He can. Nothing is difficult if you seek it through your Lord, and nothing is easy if you seek it through yourself. Just as storms change the landscape of the earth, our hardships change the landscape of the heart.